That moment when you get off and Houston messages you, says you're going to Kentucky to get a trailer. Will you go?
Oh snap, guys, we might be going to pick up a trailer today. It's pretty cool. We've been looking for one for a while now. Hannah, she's riding up with me. Say hello, Hannah.
Hey.
And my buddy's back behind me with the dually. So if everything looks good and everything's right, we might be pulling the trigger on this bad boy. But it is a 28 foot. We've been looking at like 24s, between 24 and 28, right in there. And this one's right there what we're wanting. So and it's right there in our budget too. So that's the nice part. And Hannah's been telling me, it's like, if we find something, we better pull the hammer on it, or because we've missed out on like 3 deals now. So it's been hard, ain't it, Hannah? But anyways, we came across a truck and we came across 2 other trailers last weekend, and we missed out on both of them. And oh Lord, American guys, look at this right here. It's definitely Tennessee. Boom, that's what I'm talking about right there. Bald Eagles in America. They just know we are going to go get a race car trailer. They just know it. Let's drive it forward. I don't know. At least that helped that America flag help them out a little bit. Delivering, ain't he?
Always do. Hey!
Oh Lord, we're about to be going through a tunnel. Oh my gosh, guys, we got it. We got it. It's super nice. When we get home, I'll show you guys the inside. It's awesome. We just need to clean it up. It's got a bunch of aluminum stuff on it. This thing is wizard. We now have a race car trailer and we're ready to roll. It's gonna be cool. Oh snap, boys, we're going back through the bridge. We got the race car trailer. We're headed back home. You guys can see some lights. You guys can see it a little bit. Boom. It's excited. Can't even talk straight right now. Excited. Can't even talk. It's 11:30. We're headed home. It's a work night and everything. I still gotta get up and go to work tomorrow. But we're on the down slope right now, headed back home. Everything's working. We got the trailer lights working. I had to work on those for a minute, of course. But besides that, looks like we're gonna be in good shape. We stopped at the Walmart for like kind of just as a safety precaution to check over everything. We put our hands on all the rims just to make sure we didn't have no brakes trying to lock up or anything. Everything felt good. We also put grease in all the hubs, just so we know it's got grease in it. And we're excited. I mean, we're heading home. The lights are staying on. So my rigged up jerry rigging job there worked out good. This is almost kind of like an episode of Roadkill right now. We're going to go get a old wore out trailer and we're going to turn it into something cool. But it's actually a pretty nice trailer. We're really excited about it. So head home, and once we get home, we'll do a little bit more filming, and then tomorrow when it gets all nice and bright outside, I'll let you guys see some better filming of it so you can see everything, how it kind of looks. And then this weekend we'll clean it up. So let's get back to traveling. Oh snap, guys, check it out. We got our race trailer. This thing is needing some serious cleaning, but this thing has got some good potential. Check the floors out. We'll take that carpet out of there, get everything good and cleaned up, get it ready for streetcar takeover. We got our winch in the floor, Craftsman toolbox, got ourselves some vise, cabinets, and the best part of all, refuse to lose. I like it a lot. We are rocking and rolling. I just want to thank you guys so much. If you guys got any suggestions on any trailer cleaner, be sure to comment down below. Let me know what you guys think I should use to clean it. We'll have a good cleaning video coming up soon for it. But you guys be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, you guys have a good one.